Okay, welcome to this Luv Subbin short film series. And in this short film, we're going to be talking about some varsity level leveling events. So as you can see, this campground here is wicked sloped down, and it even humps a little bit here. Okay, so there's two things to remember, especially if you have an Airstream trailer, but probably other trailers as well, is if you start to lower your rig too much, you could risk bottoming out the flat tire, the spare tire.
And we've talked about this in other videos.
Right, so what did we do here? First of all, we had to level side to side, and we determined that it was a 1 block level on this side.
Right.
So we've got 1 block on each wheel, but you can see on the front wheel we've got 2 blocks.
Correct.
And then you come around this side, and we've got 1 block on the front wheel there.
Yep.
So effectively what that's doing is it's before we even do the lowering of the rig, we're raising it up like this to give us some extra clearance for that spare tire so that we don't bottom out on the spare tire, and we can get low enough. You can see we've almost barely...
Yeah, we probably have maybe an inch.
Or less. So we're to get level. So yeah, a couple different things. If you need to really lower your rig down, nose down, raise those front wheels, and never bottom out your spare tire.
Correct. But
So
you can also do that and also level your rig side to size as well.
Yeah, and it's one of the reasons we use the Lego blocks, because of the flexibility. You know, if we only had 2 Anderson levelers, it might be a little bit more difficult to do that. So we still like the Lego blocks.
Yep.
So if you like this short film,
Give us a big thumbs up
and if you think we've earned a subscription, click the subscribe.
and comment below if you have any tips or tricks in leveling your rig.
Because we come out with RV and Airstream related short film series like this one every now and then.
Thanks for watching.